Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. I am having an amazing day because I have somewhat of a voice back after being sick for about a week, and I am finally ready to do my unboxing haul video with you. And I do have a video disclaimer today. My daughter's dog is right down here and she's a little upset. My daughter went out without her to a hockey game. She thinks she should be invited. She was not, and she's not quite as easy as Lola. So I'm keeping her close to me, trying to make her not so upset. She's a little clingy, so you might hear her. She tends to kind of whine a little bit when she's gone. So let's get the unboxing started. Usually I do true unboxings. I could not wait that long until I felt better, so I opened everything, but I'm going to share everything with you that I got. The first one is from Burberry. I have wanted this one for a long time. I have really loved their scarves, and it came in this nice little tube. Stick that back here. And I got the classic check scarf in the cashmere in the black and white pattern. There we go. I love these, and I wear a ton of black, a ton of gray, and I just thought this would just be so cute for winter to go with all my coats and sweaters. And I tend to wear scarves a lot more than I tend to wear coats, especially living in an area, you know, in the suburbs, that we don't do a lot of walking unless it's purposeful walking. So if we go to the store or something like that, you drive there and just walk through a parking lot, and by the time you get inside, it's warm in the store. So it has to be really, really cold for me to put on a coat. So I added this beauty, and then this one from Gucci came in this nice box. It did have a pretty bow, which I have long since removed. She's escaping. She's not home, sweetie. She doesn't believe me. Here is the little receipt that came with it from Gucci. And it was just packaged in some tissue paper like this. And this one is 100% wool. And it is the Gucci scarf, and it is the gray with the hot pink GGs, and then it reverses to hot pink with the gray GGs. If I can turn it around and show you. There we go. I just absolutely love the colors of this. This one is really big compared to the Burberry, and it's just really, really pretty. Can you get in your bed? Get in your bed. Come on, you can do it. She's not happy. Very unhappy puppy. I will try to put in a little footage of her. So you can see her. She's very, very cute and sweet. She is very clingy. So this one is from Gucci. And then, let me get her situated. Are you upset she left? You don't want to be here without her. I know. You sweet girl. You sweet girl. Yes, you sweet girl. You're a good girl. Okay, I think I have her situated. So the next item was completely unplanned. I actually went to Vegas thinking I was going to purchase a third love cuff in white gold. So I wore my 2 yellow, and I went in and tried on the white, and the 3 of them together, they were just too much. It wasn't me. I didn't like it. So I just wasn't gonna get that. And I really wasn't planning on getting this. The one after this, I knew I was getting that. I was on wait list for that one. But this one, I had no idea. But if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely know what this is, because I've posted many pictures of it the day I purchased it. And it is from Fendi, and it came in this lovely yellow box. And it came in this dust bag. And here is the Fendi receipt. And to reveal the Fendi Mini, get it out, Defender cover. And it comes with a luggage tag, which Fendi will hot stamp for you. So I did get my initial on that. This is $550 in the boutiques, and they do have them online. They pop in here and there, but they sell out pretty quickly online, but boutiques will ship them. I did ask a few boutiques, and they did say that they would ship even without a purchase history. So if you are interested in one of these, call up a Fendi boutique. And it is the, let me take the stuffing out of here. And then there's the little Fendi card. It is in the canvas, the coated canvas with the Fendi logo. And then there's a leather Fendi logo in the center. And it's all calfskin lined trim, that. And then this luggage tag, it is made in Italy. Not sure if that will show. Oh, it won't show because I'm on the back side. It is made in Italy. And it's just all the way around the Fendi logo print. I'm trying to come up with the words. She frazzled me a little bit there. I had to chase her down. But I absolutely love this. I wasn't planning on getting it, but I love the brown on brown. It's very familiar to me, like Louis Vuitton. It's colors that I'm quite used to carrying it, and I love it with the black. I think the black accent is just fabulous with this. They did tell me that this was actually made to go with black and brown bags, but I think it would go great with any color. They had a red Napa Mini. Oh, it was so gorgeous, and it looked amazing in this. I tried the red in here. I don't think any color would look wrong with this at all, but I didn't have my bag with me, but they did give me one to try in it. So I'm going to show you how it works. There are 3 snaps on both sides. So you just unsnap it. And I was really concerned, since my bag is lambskin, about scratches or, you know, would this do any kind of damage to it or to the leather. They assured me it would not, and it is a very soft, well, it's canvas inside, but it's very soft material. So you just slip your bag in like this, which kind of hard to hold it up and slip it in. Slip it in like that. And then you just want to snap up the sides on both sides. Like that. And turn it around. And the same on this side. And it's quite secure once you get it snapped, if I can get it snapped. I'm not having very luck here. Okay, there we go. There it is. Okay, so get it snapped. And then see if I can show you. Do you see these little slits here? There are 4 of these. And so the little pieces on the peekaboo here at the corners, those slide through. So let me show you that. And it just goes through all 4 sides. I'm only going to do half of the bag just for time's sake, but you'll get the idea. So show that to you. See how that threads through? So that keeps it where it's, you know, really secure and in place. So I did ask, especially since I have a lambskin bag, which lamb and rain do not get along, and lamb and canvas do. I asked if it would be okay to carry it in the rain with this, and they said don't do that because the top is open and it's all lamb lined, and they just said that was not a really good idea. You can still close this, the turn lock, with this cover on very easily. But I absolutely love that they hot stamp, and I believe they only do this in the Fendi boutiques. I'm not positive if they do that in department stores or not, but I talked to a couple of people, and so far only the managers do it in either gold or silver. So I just love that personal touch. I think that's really cool, and it makes the bag, you know, 2 bags for $550, which is, it's not, you know, a small amount of money by any means, but if you look at the luxury world and, you know, prices, that's the price of a small leather good. And basically I got a whole new bag for the price of a small leather good, which I have plenty of small leather goods. So I really, really like that. I came very, very close. There's a bag a little bit bigger than the mini, and in between the mini and the regular. I believe it's called the essential size. It's like slightly bigger than this, and it was navy blue and light pink on the front and hot pink on the back. It was gorgeous, but it was in the calf leather. It was really, really, really heavy when I put my things in it. So I'm having a thing with Fendi right now. I'm really, really loving it. So Absolutely thrilled to have picked this piece up. Show it to you again, how it works. Yeah, and it's very secure. It's not gonna, even though I only have half of it done, I'm tugging pretty good, it's not gonna come off. So there's that. And then the last item was something that I was really hoping to pick up in Europe, and that was not gonna happen because I went in between seasons, and it's a seasonal item, even though it's kind of a classic item, but it's not considered a classic item. So you will definitely know from the box what this is. And it was, of course, wrapped all beautifully, and I had to see it. So this is how it came. The tissue paper and the Chanel sticker. And here it is in the dust bag. And here is the receipt. So this is the first dust bag I have had where it's not a drawstring. Well, it is a drawstring, but it ties in a little bow. It's not a drawstring that you pull on both sides. So I've never had one like this before. I think it's really cute. And to reveal, more wrapping. So it was brand new, and it came with the full wrapping, and it is a Chanel mini in black lambskin with silver hardware. Let me take all this off so you can see it. And the chains were all wrapped up very nicely. Pull all this out. Here we go. Maybe. Okay, there we go. There. So it is the 18C Chanel mini, black lambskin with silver hardware. I absolutely love this. I really never thought I would add a mini to my collection, but I did try some on in Paris, but they were the exotics. There was a, I think it was Lizard. It was like $7,000. That's not happening. But I really like how much more it can hold than the wallet on a chain. You know, the depth of it. Like I could actually get a slim pair of sunglasses in here, which sunglasses are very important to me. Let me show you the inside. I haven't even looked to see where it's made. It is made in France. I don't know if I can, that's not gonna focus at all. But anyways, there's the top. It is all leather lined. There is a little slip pocket here where it says made in France, which I don't think there's any way I can get that there. And then there is a zippered pocket in the back that has the authenticity card in that. But I absolutely love all leather lined bags. That's like my favorite thing. And I love that it is crossbody. And here is the tag if you are interested. And the price did go up on this one right before I got it. I had a $250 gift card. So I ended up spending $50 less than the old price, but not as good as if it didn't go up at all. But this may possibly be my last Chanel bag. This may be the completion to my collection. We'll see. I definitely knew I wanted something in black lamb after I got my blue lamb. Oh, and before I forget, black lamb is very, very different than blue lamb. You know how you watch a lot of videos and people are like, if you get a little mark, you just buff it out with your finger. And in my blue lamb video, if you watch that, no, that doesn't happen. You can rub all you want with your finger and nothing changes. There was a little tiny mark on the back of this one here, which I don't, it's gone now. You won't be able to see it, but it was back here. And I literally took my finger and rubbed it, and like magic, it was gone. So I don't know if it's something with the dye or if, you know, the season, because my blue one is from spring and this one is from cruise. So I'm not sure how all that works, you know, with lambskin, but this one did have just a tiny mark and it buffed right out. So I'm hopeful that this one will stay, you know, really pretty. I'm still happy with my blue though, so. But thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing, and I hope you are having a wonderful week, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.